tippy top. That is called the head sensor. You'll see this language underneath where it says quantum interface sensor. That's quantum human design language, which I'm not speaking about in depth tonight. But if you would like to know more about quantum human design, we can do another session on that in time. So tonight we're just talking about traditional human design. So the quantum interface sensor or the head sensor is at the tippy top, and that does correlate to the head the crown chakra. It acts as a bridge between human understanding and a higher spiritual awareness. It is a pressure sensor, which just means that it's one of the sensors that could make one feel pressure to compelled to do something that they really don't need to do, but just like it's just the way that society's it's the way that the energy feels in that sensor as a result of society's conditions. It's linked to the pineal gland. It is linked to the crown chakra. It is the source of fresh ideas, inspiration, and intuitive insights. It is in about 30% of people, the head sensor is defined, and it's open in about 70% of people. Now, we're not talking too much tonight about the open and defined functions of each sensor. We'll do that in the next session. But just know that in general, like that's about the breakdown in the human population. This is the sensor that contains curiosity and exploration rather than direct answers. And I talk about that a lot, how answers are not in the head. Their answers are felt in the body, and the head is full of questions. And it's okay for the head to be full of questions. We just live in a society that emphasizes an importance on having an answer snippety snap, like right away, and making sure those answers are direct and quick. And that's not what the head is for. The head is for, like it says, we say in the slide here, curiosity and exploration, asking the questions and seeing what comes up. And when we get into the different types, we'll talk more about what that means in the body. Because the other thing about human design is that it's an invitation to get back into the body where our energy is actually felt, and what we've been conditioned out of. Okay. The head center connects us to the unseen underlying reality of